Okay guys, so today we're checking out the new Infinix HOT 30. Infinix is marketing this as a gaming phone, and as you can see from the box I have on the table that it is showing, I think these are characters from Fortnite, I'm not sure. It's written Infinix Free Fire HOT 30. At the bottom here it's written Booyah Now. I think I can show you that this way. Then at the top it's written the Helio G88 processor. It comes with NFC, it supports 33 watt fast charging, and you get up to 16 gigs of RAM according to Infinix on the box. But that's not true, you actually get 8 gigs of RAM as standard. Then you can expand with virtual RAM up to 8 GB from internal storage, which is not as fast as actual RAM. On the other side you get Booyah Now HOT 30 2023 game Garena, all rights reserved. Okay, so let's unbox it and see what's actually inside. So when you open it, at the top there's something. It's this sort of a weird gaming like SIM ejector tool, Booyah Now. So inside here you should get a sticker, a phone lanyard, a scratch card, and a tray eject pin, which you can already see here. If you remove that there and open it up, you get welcome to the world of HOT 30 and Free Fire limited edition. We've prepared an exclusive set of gears to set you on your journey. Then you get stickers, so Infinix, Free Fire, Alvaro, Capella, Booyah Now. Then on the other side of the box you get the phone. Let's remove the phone. You get a cape, then you get the phone lanyard, which I'll be using. This one I'll definitely be using. Now let's take a look at the new Infinix HOT 30. So the major specifications are at the back, where you get 33 watt fast charging on the 5000 mAh battery, the Helio G88 gaming octa-core engine, 90 Hz 6.78 inch 1080p display, 50 megapixel super night camera, and a glass feel that's slim and light. Yep. But Infinix is also including something else called the Infinix HOT 30 Play. So we're going to unbox both of them. So this is the Infinix HOT 30 and this is the Infinix HOT 30 Play. The HOT 30 Play is a more affordable variant of the HOT 30, but it has a bigger battery, so you get a 6000 mAh battery, and instead of 33 watt fast charging you're getting 18 watt fast charging. It also has 128 gigs of storage and up to 16 gigs of RAM, where it's 8 gigs of actual RAM and the other 8 gigs is pulled from the slower internal storage whenever you need it, if you activate it. So first we will unbox the HOT 30. So at the top you get the phone as usual, and the major thing that Infinix is pushing with this device is the 33 watt fast charging, which is good, and the best part is that you get the charger inside the box, unlike competition nowadays who are removing chargers even for budget phones. So in addition to the accessories inside the box, you also get a free silicone case protector. So here is the 33 watt fast charger. This is the USB type A to type C charger, cable rather. You also get the normal SIM ejector kit. These are the cameras, that's the flashlight. Let's light it out. So it's quite shiny at the back. I don't know if I can capture the exact look with the camera and lighting, because it has this sort of lines that are going on the back. Yeah, there you go. So it has those sort of lines at the back. So that's the set of 50 megapixel camera as the main camera, and that's the front. Let's switch it on. So as it switches on, we can unbox the Infinix HOT 30 Play. The Infinix HOT 30 Play is poised to be the battery king in the market, coming with a 6000 milliamp battery that can fast charge, with 18-watt fast charge included in the box. The unboxing experience looks to be similar. So at the top you get the phone, with the major specification being the 6000 milliamp battery, which can last a good number of days. So yeah, it has a 90 Hz display, which is not 1080p, it's 720, and it has a 8.6 millimeter slim and light glass field design. You get the ejector pin, an included silicone case. You get the 18-watt charger, which as you can see is smaller. You get the USB type A to type C cable, which is thinner and I think doesn't feel as thick as solid as the other device. Then you get the earphones. And here is the HOT 30 Play. It has almost a similar design to the HOT 30, so telling them apart might be quite difficult for people. As you can see, what you can use to tell them apart, I think, is this sort of design here. It's not physically on the body, it's rather just the material coloring. So there is this sort of edge on the cameras to tell them apart. And if you're keen enough, you will be able to notice that the cameras are different. The camera on the HOT 30, the main HOT 30, the top camera is bigger. Not in size, but rather in that small aperture at the center. Yeah. In terms of design at the bottom, they have the same approach, a speaker, Type-C cable. I'm glad that even the cheaper phone has Type-C included, a microphone and a headphone jack. At the top, as you can see, everything is clean, and on the sides you get a sort of similar design, but the HOT 30 has a receding, you can see it recedes slightly into the body. So the volume rockers on the power buttons, and the power buttons are also double up as the fingerprint scanners. On the other side, you get the SIM tray to insert your SIM cards and micro SD slots. As the HOT 30 Play powers on, we can set up the HOT 30. So the Infinix HOT 30 comes with XOS 12.6 based on Android 13. As you can see, the OS, or rather the UI, has been customized to match the box. So the icons have been changed, the wallpaper matches the box and all that. And this is what you get if you get that edition with a box and the playing. It's sort of a, I think it's a low or whatever, a limited edition. So you have to buy this particular model to get this customized UI, I guess. I think it looks good. What do you think? Apart from, of course, the UI, which I always feel is quite full of stuff that maybe some people don't need. I think it looks good. Look at the settings icon, look at the phone master icon. Even the tools have been customized for that yellow and black look. Meanwhile, on the HOT 30 Play, you will get the usual customization, rather the usual look that you're used to with iOS and Infinix devices. It's also running XOS 12.6 based on Android 13. As you can see here, the UI is the usual XOS UI you're used to, with the usual sort of bloatware apps that you can delete or disable, and the usual Infinix shelf called the zero screen. we're here for the HOT 30, and let's look at a few things that you can do apart from the change of wallpaper. I think let's see what wallpapers are included. So you get custom wallpapers that match the look and the box that came with the phone, so you can customize those. There's also Magic Touch live wallpapers, which I think you are used to from other Infinix phones running Android 13. Yeah, in settings, I think there's more. I hope there's more. Now under settings, you get the usual Infinix sort of settings, but the quick settings have that sort of yellow and black color. Okay, so tell me your thoughts on the new Infinix HOT 30 and the HOT 30 Play, and remember to subscribe.